live again.
I have come back.
Dude, why are these stuffed animals?
Don't touch that. Don't touch that, dude. Don't touch
You
it.
little thing. Oh my God!
Friend.
You okay?
Oh!
Here's a band-aid.
How am I supposed to open this? Oh my God, how am I supposed to open this? I have no eyes. Thank you,
It's alright. You're around. You know your environment.
Edgar! You're alive!
Yes, I am. Now feel the wrath!
Jordan!
Now your friends are dead!
Ah! No!
I'll never die! Ever!
Don't touch your nigger's place next time, you piece of garbage.
I live again!
Come back.
I'll never die! Ever!
My little puppy. I carry him around like this because I love him. And I want him. You know what I'm saying? So you kids just stay in school and don't make fun of me when I go to school the next day. You hear me?